Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. 3 p.m. Friday, May 26, 2023. Here's the second of two Daytons, and this one's a bit more yellowed of a motor. But let's take it for a test spin. Okay, let's try spinning it and see. Maybe it's just because it's 227 or whatever. So try taking it for a. Try getting it going first. Alright, so I guess this Dayton's dead, hence the yellowing. Probably has water damage or something, but alright, so this is an aesthetic Dayton, and that's all. Thanks for stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.